Hihiv, Ceacht Shaska Kuig, and Mol Fahitchak Loirach, the present subjunctive. Sounds scary, right? But it's just the wishing mode. Something you've used quite a bit already. Gadev Magat, may there be good at you. So what's happening here? You use this particle ga, which puts an eclipsis on the verb. The verb for the first conjugation is, the first group of verbs is just a neutral vowel ending, E or A. For the second group, the second conjugation is, which I call the OE verbs, like kenoi and shoi, where they use that in the future tense, the OE forms. Those guys, they get an I-fada ending or an A-I-fada ending. So these phrases are very, very common. They're used a lot in prayers, they're used a lot in songs, but they're also just used like in special occasions like holidays, or somebody dies or something like that, or somebody's going on a trip. A lot of times you're just wishing somebody these things. So all useful. So ga naidi an borlat. May you succeed in your journey. May the road rise up with you. No, bad translation. May you succeed on your journey is the good translation. Gedagadericht, in the Our Father. May your kingdom come. Those are all these subjunctive. Now the negative is nar, like in nar lagi gia delov. May God not weaken your hand. In other words, more power to you. Treshalat, power to you. And then in the relative form, apparently the negative becomes na. So there's a one at the ending there. Jalev gajo narev tu, instead of nar. It's na. I don't know why. I've never seen that anywhere else, actually. So that's the last thing in this list. Gajay tu slon, gajay shiv slon, obviously, if it's plural. There are other forms, like you can use the Servier form, which is, and you can use the plural first-person form, Gemerimij bio, Gemerimij, where is that one? Gemerimij bio erin am sharish. May we take hold of alive on this, or maybe we be may we be alive at this time next year is the phrase translation. So Gemerimij is a first person plural. There's a song, Ban Fajin, Gemrister Akasa, may her legs be broken. So you can have the Servier as well. If you're not sure of a form, just go to the dictionary online and look them up, because all of these things are available online now. But basically it's those two sets of verbs, and they have those two possible endings. You just have to know which group you're in, which if you don't know the future tense or the conditional, you would know that. So there are no exercises in this chapter. They give you a real good, easy one here, nice break. But it is important to learn these phrases. They are very common phrases. So, Gajay Shiv Slon, may you go successfully. Ganaidi live, Ceacht Sha Olam. May you succeed learning this chapter. Slán go fóill.